Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the beatsx matte gold. It looks like you just peel here. Here it has a little part, I guess we can just take them off. Inside it comes with these little ear loops that are supposed to hold it in place, and then here's where you can change the size. And then if you flip it over, it comes with the regular size case and the cable. Okay. The one thing the reason I chose these headphones was because they didn't have that over ear. And I'll go ahead and show you. These are the Powerbeats 3 wireless. I got them maybe a year and a half ago. And I just want to show you why I don't like these anymore. So I got them in white, and they have this part to hold onto the ear, and as you can see on this one, it broke. They are really broken, as you can see inside. And so I have the little piece right here, and the reason that I got these was because it didn't have that part there, so that part won't break. And it has these that are removable that will stay in your ear. Another plus side about these was that, one, it comes in more colors, and I got these that are kind of like, they're matte gold, but they're kind of beige looking. These plus side, they're also, I bought these for $120, while these were $200, which is very sad. Another thing was that this part over here wasn't even that great in keeping your headphones in. Like, they would still fall out of my ears even with that part. So I wasn't, so to me it wasn't a big deal, and I will definitely not be purchasing these again. So, and apparently this part, I was told, can't just be glued on. That part of the antenna broke, so they will no longer work. And it probably, like, to get them fixed, I feel like it probably costs more to fix. Okay, this is another difference, is that this has one loop that just goes straight around your neck, and these do not. This part is a little bit flimsy, and it has this kind of little part here that kind of holds the cord to adjust to your neck size, but these it doesn't have that. And then on the bottom, they are magnetic, so they will stick around, which these do not. The part where you charge is right here in the middle, and apparently a charge of 5 minutes can be enough for 2 hours. The charging part on this one is right here on the bottom. Another thing is, it was very awkward charging it when the headphones would just hang off like that, which is something I didn't like. But I want to go ahead and see how fast the setup is, so I'm going to turn these on, and they're already connected. So I just click connect, and they're already done. They say 89%, which I didn't use the other 11%, but that's okay. Okay, here I'm using the Powerbeats 3, and as you can see, the cord that extends, it gets crushed by the bar, and what it does, it pulls the headphones back, which makes it really uncomfortable. But when I use the beatsx, as you can see, there's no extended cord that goes past the neck, so I didn't have that problem, and I was able to do it in a more comfortable position. Okay guys, there's some really quick things I just want to let you guys know about for each of the headphones. For the beatsx, they only last up to 8 hours, and the battery life for the Powerbeats 3 is 12 hours. Another thing is that the Powerbeats 3, they are sweatproof and waterproof, while the beatsx are not. So if you're a person who sweats a lot or is around a lot of like humidity and stuff like that, I wouldn't suggest the beatsx because they are not waterproof or sweatproof. So yes, another thing is that they both are great at isolating sound, which I think is awesome. Like, I can't hear anybody at the gym if they're dropping weights or being loud or anything like that. So I think I choose the beatsx because of the price, just in case if it breaks again, and if it lasts for like another year, then I wouldn't mind paying for them again. But these, they were pretty expensive, and I wouldn't want to pay $200 for like such a short period of time. So it's up to you guys, it's up to your preference, it's up to what you guys like and want in a headphone. So yeah, hopefully you found my video helpful, and that maybe I could see you guys again in another video. Thank you. Bye.